Hi, welcome to OpenLC Solutions. This marks the start of the 2014 Ordinary Level series. To open up with, we're going to start with some arithmetic. And the question is that a shopkeeper bought 25 school blazers at €30 each and 25 trousers at €20 each, and we find the total cost to the shopkeeper. And this one's pretty straightforward. He just spends €30 per blazer and €20 per trouser. And so the total cost is 25 times the cost of the blazer, which is 30, plus 25 times the cost of the trousers, which is 20. That ends up being 750. And then the 25 times 20 is 500. And you add the two of those together and you end up with €1,250. Don't forget your euro symbol there as well. Part B tells us that the shopkeeper sells a blazer and a trousers as a set for $89.95, and we have to find the profit on this transaction. So the profit is always the sale price minus the cost price. Sale can sometimes be called revenue as well. So the sale price, we're told, is $89.95. The cost price, we're told from the previous question, is €30 for the blazer and 20 for the trouser. So the combination of those two is 30 plus 20. And so if you work through that, you end up with $39.95. The very last part says that the shopkeeper sells 22 of these sets for the price we're told before, $89.95. And the remaining 3 sets are sold at a discount of 20% on the selling price. And we find our markup, that is profit as a percentage of cost price on the total transaction. So we already know what the profit is for these 22, or well, we know what the profit is for one of those sets. And so the profit for 22 is just 22 times our answer from part B, $39.95. So let's work out what the final price of the set is once the discount is applied first. So there are 3 sets sold at a 20% discount, and so the price of those is the $89.95 minus 20% of that, or a quicker way to work that out is $89.95 multiplied by 0.8. The 0.8 comes in because that's 80%, and so if the discount is 20%, then the actual price is 80% of the original amount. So that works out to be $71.96. And so the profit on these 3 sets is $71.96 minus the cost price, which is 30 plus the 20, which is of course 50. And so the profit then is $21.96 for each of these 3 sets on this discount. The total profit then is 22 times the profit from these $89.95 sets, which is $39.95, which worked out in part B. And then there are 3 sets where the profit is only $21.96. So the profit on those 22 sets is $878.90, and the profit on those other 3 sets is $65.88, and so the total profit is $944.78. Now that is the total profit on those 25 sets. What was the total cost of those 25 sets? We should have that from part A. So that's €1,250. And so we can work out the markup as 944.78, or total profit, divided by the cost price. And then just to make sure it's a percentage, you multiply it by 100. And it looks like the markup is 75.58%. So thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in question 2.